am a licensed naturopathic physician. I have 26 years of clinical experience, and I am a free agent. Contrary to popular belief, I'm not a member of Youngevity Corporate. I do not have a Youngevity nutritional supplement line. I don't represent Youngevity in any way, shape, or form, but I'm a gigantic cheerleader for Youngevity. And its founder, as far as I'm concerned, Dr. Joel Wallach, deserves a Congressional Medal of Honor. And if Dr. Wallach was the Surgeon General of the United States, we would have a multitude, in an infinite number of less health problems, and the budget would not be stretched the way that it is by inordinate health care. Now, because I am a free agent, because I'm a licensed naturopathic physician, I have the freedom and the ability to get up on the public stage and tell people whatever it is that's on my mind. And I'm going to tell you what's on my mind every day that I'm on the radio. Today, we're going to talk about nutritional supplements and the differences from one to another. Because when we're talking about nutritional supplementation, the supplementation of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, essential fatty acids, it's important that we have the right recipe. Last year in the United States, we spent tens of billions of dollars on nutritional supplements, and everybody is still sick. How can this be when my supposition is, and Dr. Wallach's supposition is, and the clinical experience of hundreds of licensed naturopathic physicians, acupuncturists, herbalists, chiropractic physicians all around the world, is that nutritional supplementation works. Nutritional supplementation helps people to get on the other side of chronic illness. Nutritional supplement heals chronic diseases. It does, when it is properly applied. If you had a fire in your backyard and you were attempting to put it out with a squirt gun, you would probably meet with little success. However, if you turned a garden hose onto it or a fire hose, you would undoubtedly meet with success. Well, what's the difference? Well, the volume is the difference. You're using water in both circumstances, but it makes a gigantic difference as to how much. It's the same with nutritional supplementation. You have to take the right stuff in the right amounts, appropriate for your body weight. Somebody who's 300 pounds is going to need a significant amount more nutritional supplementation than somebody who's 100 pounds. They do that with dogs. Have you ever noticed the difference between the large breed dog food and the small breed dog food? It's the amounts of the nutrients that are in the formulation. It's the same with humans. We're animals, right? Well, if you are going to spend hard-earned money on nutritional supplements, it would perhaps behoove you to take the right stuff in the right amounts. And once you've done that, we also need to talk about the absorbability index. It's not what you swallow, it's what you absorb. And not all nutritional supplements are created equally as far as absorption goes. So we see in the naturopathic profession remarkable changes, healings, the curative ability of properly applied medical nutrition. And I've been doing this for 26 years in clinical settings, 26 years in clinical settings. And I'm telling you that for over-the-counter nutritional supplements, Dr. Wallach's nutritional supplements, Youngevity's, as delivered by the Youngevity Corporation, produce more consistent results than anything that I've seen in 26 years of clinical work. If you're going to spend hard-earned money on nutritional supplements, attempting to fix a chronic health condition or just to get a leg up, to optimize the structure and function and the health of the human body, then you're a knucklehead if you don't give Youngevity a try. Let's look at the numbers. Youngevity Healthy Start Pack. One Youngevity Healthy Start Pack is what we recommend, what I recommend, per 100 pounds of body weight per month for general, all-around, all-purpose nutritional support. One Youngevity Healthy Start Pack per 100 pounds of body weight per month. If you were to go online to Amazon.com or Puritan's Pride or go to the local health food store, go to GNC, go to Whole Foods, go to a local health food store and attempt to meet the amounts, to secure the amounts of the vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids that are found in one Youngevity Healthy Start Pack, here is what you would have to do. You would need more vitamin A. You would need more vitamin C. So let's say you went and just got a multivitamin, right? So you go to the health food store, you go to Amazon.com, you go to wherever you're going to go, and you get a bottle of multivitamins appropriate for your age. You get a really, really good over-the-counter multiple vitamin. When you compare what's in it to what's in the Youngevity Healthy Start Pack, you come up short with vitamin A. You come up short with vitamin C. You come up short with thiamine. You come up short with riboflavin. You come up short with niacin, with vitamin B6, with vitamin B12. You come up short with biotin. You come up short with pantothenic acid. There are no trace minerals that are present in an over-the-counter multivitamin. You don't have any omega-3s. You don't have any omega-6s. You don't have any EPA. You don't have any DHA. And you don't have any calcium or magnesium. You don't have any fruit and vegetable concentrates. You don't have any antioxidants. And you certainly don't have a full range of balanced amino acids. So all of these things you need to acquire in addition to your multiple vitamin, in addition to the multiple vitamin. Now, we're trying to compare apples to apples here, right? I'm telling you that Youngevity's Healthy Start Pack produces more consistent, effective results across the board than anything I've seen in 26 years. And it's available over the counter. You don't need a prescription to get it. It's a remarkable product. Now, if you were going to go price shop, go to Costco, go to Sam's Club, go somewhere to try to secure what you can get in the Healthy Start Pack with other things, I've looked at this, and here are the numbers that I came up with. You would need extra vitamin A, extra vitamin C, extra thiamine, extra riboflavin, extra niacin, extra B6, extra B12, extra biotin, extra pantothenic acid. You would need extra trace minerals, extra omega-3, extra omega-6, extra EPA, DHA, CalMag, fruit and vegetable concentrates, antioxidants, and amino acids. If you were to cobble all of these things together in over-the-counter stuff, you would need to take, say, 73 capsules a day. By the way that I calculated the number, 73 capsules a day. You would need to swallow 73 capsules a day. I suppose you could parse that out, 25 3 times a day. 25 capsules 3 times a day. You think you could do that? I don't think I could do that, and I take a lot of nutritional supplements. By the way, when you add all of the numbers up, it comes to approximately $557 to get the equivalent of what $125 of Youngevity nutritional supplements can give you. Which is better, $125 or $557? I think $125 is better. Which is better, swallowing 3 capsules a day or swallowing 73 capsules a day? Well, I think I'll take 3 capsules a day, Johnny. Thank you very much. Well, yes, 73 capsules a day is just a little ridiculous. The majority of Youngevity's nutritional supplements, of course, are liquid. Beyond tangy tangerine powder, you dissolve in water. It's delicious, and you have to drink it. You don't have to pop pills all day long. Beyond OsteoFX, which is arguably the best calcium supplement in the world right now, arguably the best calcium supplement in the world right now. It's 1 ounce a day. Mix it with a little bit of orange juice. Tastes exactly like a creamsicle. 1 ounce a day. Make a popsicle out of it. Give it to your kids. You don't have to swallow 30 to 40 capsules of a calcium supplement a day, which is what you would have to do if you were attempting to get the same amount of absorbable calcium into your body every day as you get with the Youngevity Beyond OsteoFX liquid. Absorbability is the key here. If you want more of a heads up on that, please go to my website, drglidden.com, become a Dr. Glidden Insider, and watch the webinars that I've done on calcium. Not all calciums are created equally. I've also walked you right through how to best absorb the nutrients, and I walk people through how to take nutritional supplements to support their body's ability to recover from different chronic health conditions. You're suffering from asthma, you're suffering from arthritis, you're suffering from anxiety and panic attacks. I've told you what to do. I've put together informational, instructional webinars that line up what we think about it and what conventional medical doctors think about it, how they treat it, how naturopaths treat it. You get to decide what you want to do. If you're happy with how your health is under the care of conventionally trained medical doctors, then God bless you. Have at it. Continue to pay your medical insurance premiums every single month and get the care that you think is best. But if you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, if you're frustrated with the way that your health has gone, which is the way of the dodo bird, you're getting worse and worse and worse and worse every year, all of your friends are as well, then perhaps it's time to do something different. So you can do Youngevity's nutritional supplement line, which was formulated by the physician who literally wrote the book on medical nutrition, which is in the Smithsonian Institution now. Or you can go to GNC and ask the clerk at the counter, who really doesn't have a clue, about what you should do. So who are you going to go to? You're going to lean on the expert with decades of clinical experience? You're going to lean on the expert with decades of clinical experience? Or are you going to try to figure it out yourself? Are you going to attempt to swallow 73 capsules a day, pay $557? Or are you going to swallow 3 capsules a day and take a few ounces of liquid supplements every day for $125?